So here it is, the 500 subscribers special Q&A video. So what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Blackdeath Gaming here. I hope you all are doing good and let's get right into it. So for the first question we have by Infernex, will you only upload Fortnite videos in the channel or some other games too? I won't upload much Fortnite videos as my game lags, so I'll try to stream other games like Valorant and Among Us, like Among Us with viewers or something like that. So yeah, that will happen. Second, we have Lisa asking us 3 questions. So the first question is, when do you think you will hit 1k? 1k is gonna be a long time. I'm not really sure, but then it's gonna take a long time. I know that. Will you ever do a giveaway? Yeah, sure. If you hit 1k mark and go ahead of that, a lot of giveaways are gonna be coming. How long does it take you to edit montages? I edit both Valorant and Fortnite montages. For Fortnite it takes around 4 hours, I guess, probably 4 hours. For Valorant it takes less time, around 2 hours max. I'm not sure, yeah, 2 hours is max for Valorant. Yeah, that's all. Next questions we have by Little King. Congrats, thanks a lot man, thanks a lot. You deserved my question. Who introduced you to Fortnite? My friends. I had gone to my friend's house one day and he was playing Fortnite, and from then I also started playing Fortnite. Second question we have, how did you get the name Blackdeath Gaming? Gaming was made up by me. Blackdeath, I just was searching on Google some random names for Fortnite actually. Not for YouTube, for Fortnite. I was just searching random names and I saw Blackdeath and I'm like, okay, let's just stick to it. And until now I have been stuck to it. And yeah, that's how it is, Blackdeath Gaming. Next question we have by Not8812. My question is, what made you do YT? It is a really long backstory actually. So one day, okay, I'm not gonna explain it completely, but then my sister gave me a dare to upload a video on my channel. So the first video which I uploaded was a dare, and then afterwards it blew up a little bit. It got 200 views or something, and then I started uploading more. But then I took break and then I started again as Among Us, and then I've been doing it since then. Congrats, thanks a lot. I didn't read it before. Thanks a lot, Not8012. Shout out to Not8012, and I'll be shouting out many YouTubers, like the people who have channels. So their link is gonna be in the description below. So make sure to subscribe to them as well. Next question we have by TG Flix. First of all, congrats, thanks a lot, my guy. Which app or website do you use for YouTube channel? Example, okay. For banner, a guy has made it for me. It's really good. YouTube logo, I have made it myself through PixArt. Many of you will know that app. It's a really famous app. And thumbnails, the stream sky, it is made by another guy as well. I haven't made them, and yeah, that's all. Next question we have by Pranav. When will you play Apex? I know you have been asking from a long time, but yeah, I'll surely download it as I feel like. I don't know why I don't feel like playing Apex. I have no idea why. What's your PC stats, Lama? Question by Tabs. It'll be on my screen. Yeah, it'll be there. Once again, shout out to Tabs. Even he is making montages. The link will be in the description below. Next we have a compliment by Infernex. Thanks a lot, man. If you keep your channel active like this, I can see that one day you will pass 100k subscribers. Wish you all the best. Thanks a lot, dude. Even I hope so I reach a mark, a good mark on YouTube as I keep grinding ahead. Thanks a lot, dude. Thanks a lot. Next we have a rapid fire by Harangazold. Even he is grinding videos. Make sure to subscribe to him as well. Link in description. Harangazold के साथ collab कब? Anytime bro. कभी भी बोल, I'll be ready. When will you start streaming daily again? Daily is gonna be a little hard, but I'll try soon. I'm not really sure though. Show your YT stats, total views, watch. It'll be on the screen after this. When will you play any other game except Fortnite like Minecraft? Minecraft, I've tried Minecraft. I don't know why I don't like it much, but then yeah, for right now it is Fortnite. Many people have been asking any more games, but then I don't even know, bro. Fortnite is like the thing on my channel now. How was your journey till now? Amazing. It has been really amazing, fun. Experience has been totally cool. And yeah, that's it. Also guys, subscribe to him. He puts a lot of effort in this videos. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Neil Harangazord, aka Harangazord. Oh my god, I can't even speak. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to him as well. Thanks a lot. We have a question by IDOS Gaming now. Did your parents support you making a YT? In the start, I didn't tell them much about YouTube. Like when I used to stream, that's the time I told them that I need to stream, and I'm streaming. They were like okay, but then like it's my 10th going on right now, right? So they are supporting like studies more right now, and also I've also stopped streaming. So like right now they want me to study. So yeah, but then if I hit 1K, then full support. Next we have a question by Yash RS Gaming. I didn't expect him to ask a question, but yes, he's at 2K subs. So what would you recommend new streamers or those who want to start a fresh YouTube channel? Just stream daily, like grind out your streams, make good thumbnails so people are attracted to you, and like don't take breaks, like just stream regularly and you'll get subs, and also upload videos with your streams, because like videos are the main thing on YouTube. So like upload videos as well as stream. So yeah, that's what I would recommend, honestly. And honest opinion about him, I don't know much. Like I don't know you at all. I mean, like as a friend. But then you're an amazing streamer. It's really fun to be on your streams, and you're a really cool guy. That's all I would say, because I really don't know you at all. So yeah, thanks for the questions though. Next question we have by Black Silo Gamer. Who is your inspiration? Inspiration, I don't really have like a person who I've been inspired by in gaming. Like I started Fortnite before I used to watch any other streamers like Fortnite ke. So I really don't have an inspiration, and I want free promotion. Subscribe to Black Silo Gamer as well. Link in descriptions. Everyone's will be in the description. We have another question by Black Zero Gamer. Congrats for 500, bro. Thanks a lot, man. Question: which editor have you been using for Fortnite? I've been like Fortnite montages. I've been using Videoleap mobile editor, as you guys know, and VN sometimes. For video editing, like I'm not doing much editing, but then I use InShot, or sometimes on PC I use some app. I don't remember, but yeah, and these are the apps I use. For the next question we have Madhvaj, bhai padhai ka bhi karta hai tu? Guys, this is like a joke on me now. Everybody just asks me that. I don't know why, but yeah, I do study. Next we have 3 questions by Piyush. Thanks a lot for the questions, Piyush. When did you start your journey on YouTube? As far as I remember, it was May 16, 2020. More than a year now. Second, who is your inspiration? As I told earlier, I really don't have an inspiration. I just started for myself. I used to not watch any other streamers before I started YouTube. How much time did it take for 500 subscribers? Around a year only. A year and a month. But then I didn't upload anything in the start, so yeah. I've asked 3 questions, and my 4th question is give my YouTube channel a shout out in a video. Yes, Piyush Motwani, he uploads dance videos. Make sure to subscribe to him as well. Thanks a lot, Piyush. Excluding Fortnite, which other game do you like? Question mark. It's flippin'. I like Valorant a bit, and I used to play all those games like before COC and all those games. But right now, I just like Fortnite. Like, it's a main game. I am not really sure. Yeah. Next, we have a question by Booya. What do you use to edit and record? I don't record much, so I just use OBS. For editing, I use VN, Video Leap, and InShot to edit my videos and montages. So yeah, that's it. And also shout out to Booya. He's also grinding videos. So yeah. The question by Aditya. How did you manage to reach such a position with such a PC? I just streamed, like I did like care about my PC, but then like at the same time I was like, let's just stream, who cares if we lag or not, let's just stream. So I streamed, people came on my channel, they subbed, they liked the stream, and I also uploaded montages which blew up, and a shorts also which blew up. So that also got me so many views. So that's all it is. Teach me. You start playing Fortnite first. Next question is by Smera. She's asking, who is your idol in gaming? I like FaZe Mongrel, I like Clicks, I like Nick30. Like, these are not like idols, but then I love them. Like, they give me motivation to stream, and like just in general it's really fun to watch the streams and like all that. So yeah. Last question we have by Nisarg. Will you ever play COD? Call of Duty Mobile? I'm not really sure, bro. I used to play that before, but then I don't think I'll play it now. So this is gonna be the end of our Q&A video. Thanks a lot for all your questions. I really enjoyed answering them. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and like the video right now. So this is all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.